20 years. 20 years ago, I started this program, and I'm finally getting it out to the masses digitally. Okay, it first started out as a cassette tape, and then it went to CD, and now you can get it on any device, anywhere. So click on the button to get to the AOTC Salsa Mambo Practice Counting audio program. You're gonna love it. Nice and basic and simple. We break down a couple of rhythms. The tumba rhythm of the conga, this rhythm that you'll hear in salsa music usually all the time. But the primary rhythm, the clave, and you'll hear those two rhythms by themselves. Gives you a chance to practice listening, counting, and dancing. In this program also, you'll get 4 complete salsa tunes, 3 of which will have synchronized counting underneath it to kind of get you to listen to how the music is structured on a very basic level. And you can practice listening and practice dancing to that. But then the music is played again, so then you can kind of use your own head as to where you're at in the music, and then you can kind of go back and forth between the synchronized counting song and the song without the counting. And then lastly, that last song, the 4th song, will have an 8-count primer just to get you started. So pick it up by clicking on the button. Actually, you don't pick it up, it's all virtual, it's digital, it's online. So get yours now.